Every time you create a new WordPress form, do you find yourself fixing the same colors, buttons, and spacing again and again? What if you didn't have to repeat that every time? Fluent Forms already has a built-in system that can automatically apply your preferred styling to every new form you create. It's called the default style template, and once you set it up, your forms instantly become faster to build, easier to manage, and much more consistent across your website. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up, how it works, and how you can use it to speed up your workflow inside Fluent Forms. So let's jump in. First, go to your WordPress dashboard, open Fluent Forms, and then open Global Settings. Inside the General section, you can easily find the default style template option. This is the feature that controls the default appearance of every new form you create. And once you turn this on, Fluent Forms gives you a few ways to define the default style for newly created forms. The easiest way is to copy the style from an existing form. So if you already have a form that matches your brand, select that form from the drop-down. One more tap, and Fluent Forms pulls in the styling, styler theme, and design configuration automatically. From this point forward, every new form you create automatically inherits this style. So instead of rebuilding your design from scratch every time, you are now working with a reusable design system. And that's a huge time saver, especially if you manage multiple forms or client websites. Now, if you ever want to change the default style later, that's easy too. You can clear the current default style and set up a new one whenever you need. This way, you are not locked into one design forever. You can update it as your brand or website design changes. Now, if you want more control, Fluent Forms also gives you a custom CSS box. This is useful when you want to apply extra styling rules across your forms. For example, you might want to adjust spacing, add a specific border style, customize field focus states, or add design rules that match your website more closely. So if the built-in options cover most of your design, but you still need a few custom tweaks, you can add them right here. You can also choose a form styler theme from the available Fluent Forms themes. So even if you don't want to copy an existing form, you can still start with one of the built-in styling options and use it as the default for all new forms. Then there's include form styler settings. Keep this enabled if you want Fluent Forms to include the form styler configurations in your default template. Alright, everything looks good. Let's save the changes. Now it's time to see the results. Let's create a new form from scratch. Add a few fields like name, email, phone number, or message. Then save the form. Now click Preview and Design. You can see the styling is already applied automatically. The buttons, colors, typography, spacing, and overall design system are already there without rebuilding anything manually. And this is exactly what makes the default style template so powerful. Instead of repeatedly styling forms one by one, you create your design system once and reuse it everywhere. But you still have the flexibility to customize each form whenever you need. And that's how you set a default style for newly created forms in Fluent Forms. This isn't just a design feature, it's a workflow optimization system. It's a small setting, but it saves time, keeps your forms on brand, and makes your workflow much faster. Set your form style now and let Fluent Forms apply it automatically to your future forms. If you want more deep dive tutorials like this, where we break down real WordPress systems, not just surface level features, subscribe to WPManageNinja. And if you haven't tried Fluent Forms yet, check it out and start building smarter forms for your website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.